Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I will show you how to undelete pictures on Android in a simple and clear way so you can recover your deleted photos easily. I'll walk you through each step quickly. Now let's get started. Step 1, open your photo or gallery app on your Android phone. This is usually Google Photos or the default gallery app that comes pre-installed on your device, and it stores all your pictures and videos in one place. Step 2, tap the trash icon to see deleted photos. This trash or recycle bin section is where recently deleted pictures are kept for a limited time before they are permanently removed. Step 3, tap and hold the photo you want to undelete. Holding the photo allows you to select it properly so the restore option becomes available on the screen. Step 4, tap restore at the top. This option sends the selected photo back to its original folder so you can access it again like before. Step 5, tap allow from the prompt. This permission is important because it lets the app restore the photo back to your device storage safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful phone tips and tutorials.